Ready? A heinous crime has been witnessed on 24th November 2018 near Oriental High School, where two innocent ladies who were selling vegetables, they were the vegetable vendors, were brutally beaten by three miscreants, namely Durba Paul, Priya Majumdar and Sagnik. From the sources, we came to know that Sagnik, being a boy, he kicked the lady. We can see that today in protest from different community, from Mar Association, from Dimasa Association, from Silchar Youth, from stand-up groups, Stand for the People groups, from Manipuri Association, all the communities all together, they came in the same platform and showed agitation and protest against the heinous crime, and they demanded for 24 hours, they have given a deadline of 24 hours to arrest those three miscreants. We have the community, we have Mar community students president. You can see the victim, one of the victim is with us. Her name is Lalmon Pui Mar. Another victim was Gracie Paul. By the sources we came to Gracie Mar. By the sources we came to know that she got miscarriage after the boy kicked him, and they have brutally beaten these two vegetable vendors, the innocent people. So we have the president with us, Mar Association. So sir, if you can brief us and what today happened and what is your demand is?
हम लोग डीसी साहब के पास गया था, साथ साथ में एसपी साहब भी था, तो हम लोग उसके पास सब जितना भी बरकवेली में स्टूडेंट यूनियन है, सिर्फ ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी से ही नहीं, बेंगली से भी जितना हम लोग मतलब जितना समर्थन है हम लोग सपोर्ट करके एक साथ में मेमोरेंडम दिया था कि 24 आवर्स के अंदर में जो लोग कल्प्रिट है अभी तक आज़ादी से जो घूम रहा है उन लोग को अरेस्ट में होना चाहिए, पुलिस का गिरफ्त में होना चाहिए, जेल के अंदर में होना चाहिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ लीगली उन लोग को जो सज़ा मिलना चाहिए जल्द से जल्द उन लोग को सज़ा देना चाहिए। और साथ साथ में जो पोरर्स, वेजिटेबल वेंडर्स जो विक्टिम्स था और आसपास में जितना वीडियो में जो वायरल किया था, इशारा किया था, जिन लोगों को डिटेनिंग दिया था उन लोग को भी सेफ्टी मिलना चाहिए। साथ साथ में फाइनेंशियली एक्सटेंशन फॉरवर्ड भी उन लोग के लिए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हम लोगों ने डिमांड किया है, उन लोग को हेल्प मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी तक जो ग्रेसी मार 5 दिसंबर 2018 को हॉस्पिटल एसएमसी हॉस्पिटल में जो सिलचर में एडमिशन किया गया था, वो अभी तक डीएनसी करने के बाद अभी बिस्तर में पड़ा है, वो अभी तक कुछ काम नहीं कर पा रहा है। और साथ साथ में उन साथी लोगों को भी अभी तक आने से डर रहा है, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने डिटेनिंग किया है। ये अभी ललमुनपुई विक्टिम से ग्रेसी मार का मदर है, उसका भाई बहन लोग है, हम सब लोग ये डिमांड करता है कि उन लोगों को सेफ्टी मिलना चाहिए, सेफगार्ड मिलना चाहिए। ऐसे सिटीजनशिप ऑफ इंडिया हम लोग इक्वल है, इसलिए हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आगे में ऐसा इंसिडेंट ना हो, इसलिए ये घटना जल्द से जल्द कार्रवाई सुनाया जाए और सख्त से सख्त सजा सुनाया जाए। जय हिंद।
So we also have the Manipuri Youth Federation convener with us, Loknath Bhaujambao. So what is your view and why you all today came in here?
Yeah, see, the incident that happened on 24th of November was actually a crime against humanity. The world is talking about the women empowerment, but here in that case, the women empowerment is this killed by the women itself. You know, the women beaten up, allegedly beaten up these innocent vegetable vendors there in the Oriental School Point. Today we are gathered here to submit our memorandum.
What is your demand?
Yeah, our demand is to take this strong intervention, urgent intervention, legal action, so that the culprits should be barred in the.
So each and every organization, they are asking for the justice for these two ladies. We also have Stand for People groups, one of the convener with us, and we will talk to them. And so today we have witnessed that all the communities, being it's Mar, Mizo, Manipuri, Bengali, all have came in the same platform, even the Dimasas also. What is your point of view regarding that, and your demand is?
My demand is that for the last few years we have seen such incidents have been occurring time to time in Silchar Tower. So that's why created a group that is Stand for People, and to fight for the people who are being deprived in various ways. So that now we have decided to fight for those people who are being deprived in various ways, who are not been able to get justice, and we are going to stand beside them. And now I on behalf of Stand for the People group want justice for those women who have been beaten badly by the culprits.
Okay, so this is the demand of all the community. Everybody wants that we all are the citizen of this world. No community can get politicized, and nobody can differentiate between people. Everybody got their own constitutional right, and the heinous crime that happened on 24th, this should never happen again. This is the demand of all the communities who are watching Northeast Live from Silchar. I am Vikram with camera person Zakir.
Thank you. Today we received a memorandum from a joint forum of various tribes in Cachar district. There was a very unfortunate incident on 24th of November when two of the ladies who were having who were actually street vendors of vegetable and other items were attacked by a group of people, alleging that they were selling dog's meat. However, after the incident, a police case was filed, and police is inquiring about the matter for the last 2-3 weeks. As per the information, one among the accused have fled from the city and is elsewhere. The other 3 or 4 accused are reported to be hiding in different parts of the city. Efforts to identify and to catch them are going on, and we are hopeful that at the earliest we will be able to bring them in front of the law. And as district administration and police administration, we are committed to the cause, and we give assurance that we will be working out our best to make sure that such incidents does not happen again. And we have also shared our phone numbers to various organizations so that any such case can be reported without any delay.